In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with HubSpot. By the end, you'll have your Google Calendar linked, so meetings and events can sync with your HubSpot tools, making scheduling and tracking a lot smoother. Start inside your HubSpot account. From the main dashboard, look to the top right and click the settings icon, the small gear. This opens your account settings area where all connection and configuration options live. If you have multiple tabs open, make sure you're in the correct HubSpot portal before you move on. Inside Settings, find the Integration section in the left sidebar and click it. This is where HubSpot groups all ways your account can talk to other apps. If your sidebar is long or collapsed, expand it or use the Settings search bar to quickly find integrations. If you don't see this option, you may need additional permissions from your account admin. Within Integrations, select Connected Apps. This page shows anything you've already linked, and it's also a jumping off point to add new connections. From here, click Go to App Marketplace. The Marketplace is HubSpot's official catalog of trusted apps and integrations, so it's the safest way to add Google Calendar support. In the Marketplace, use the search bar at the top and type Google Cal or Google Calendar. You'll see results filter instantly. Locate the Google Calendar option and click it to open the app's listing page. If there are several similar results, choose the one that clearly indicates the Google Calendar integration for HubSpot, and look for the official publisher details and reviews to confirm you're on the right page. On the listing page, take a quick moment to review what the integration does and which features it enables. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through the standard connection flow. Depending on your browser and account setup, you may be prompted to sign in to your Google account and review the permissions that allow HubSpot to sync your calendar. Make sure you select the Google account and calendar you actually use for work. If a pop-up doesn't appear, temporarily disable any pop-up blockers and try again. Once installation completes, the integration will appear in your connected apps list, and you're ready to use it in your day-to-day work. That's it. You've connected Google Calendar with HubSpot, streamlining your scheduling and ensuring your meetings are captured where you need them most. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.